We're here with the infamous BJ. Look at that sexy face there. Oh, yeah, I think a couple gar got a hold of that one. Jesus. I don't know if my mic's gonna be able to pick that up, but I hear like 30 coyotes across the river, all sound like they're killing something. What up, Sodax Squad? Welcome back to another video here on Sodax Finest. Day 2, well, technically day 3 of our southbound trip, and we're here with the infamous BJ. Look at that sexy face there. We're chilling, hopefully, gonna get my PB flathead, but just a flathead. I'm just happy with any fish. I'm just enjoying myself down here in the old Brasky. Hopefully we can get on something. If we can get on anything, oh, launch that baby out there. Ooh, look at that.
I was just showing you what we were using if you wanted to.
Oh, I mean, look at that. So, doesn't that just look like a snack?
Usually I don't run with the demon dragons, but I figured, you know what?
Yeah, we'll get the old demon dragon,
we got
give it a
new
shot.
guest, a new bait, let's try it.
Exactly, hey, hopefully we can get on a big one with it. Goal of the day, any fish. I'm just happy with having a beer and getting a couple fish, but hopefully we can get one, at least over 5 would be nice. But we got bullheads, goldfish, which can legally use here. If you like the video at any point, make sure you drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and I think all there is left to do is get these lines casted out and hopefully have a hell of a night. So you stick with us, stay tuned. Hopefully we got a fish on the line shortly. We're naming Bud Franklin. Franklin, you go do your thing.
These bugs are crazy.
A tornado of gnats.
Oh, I had him. Oh no, I still no. Probably a Garcia. Still got my worm though.
Nice worm, bro.
Yeah, thank you. Dude, the bugs are crazy.
Dude, the second I turned my light on, they just swarmed me. Yeah.
This is awful.
Oh yeah. Stay tuned, guys. False alarm again. And yeah, I think a couple gar got a hold of that one. Jesus.
I think all the gar in the world got a hold of that, dude.
I'm surprised Bud's still kicking and doing good.
Sorry, little Timmy.
Oh Jesus, he got skinned alive by some gar.
Literally.
He rebraided your braided line for you. I'd say there's a couple gar around there.
That dude got molested.
Yeah, he did. Oh God. It's like he was at a convention of priests there. He got all sorts of molested. And right here, we got the wily wolf spider.
Crocky, mate.
Crikey.
You want to see some real speed?
3:28 a.m.
Oh, I had him for a second and he slipped through. I had him for a second. Ooh, what up, Sodax Squad? Welcome back. We're on our way back up north from our south trip, and we're back at the dam. You can probably see it way back there. We're a little ways down from the dam, but we've been fishing around, having a good time, and hopefully we can get on some fish today, because we got today, and then we're gonna do some night fishing tonight for possibly some flatties, because our Omaha flatty adventure didn't produce like we wanted to, but it was still a good time. Had a great time with BJ and chilling. We're heading back up and we're stopping for a day here, so hey, let's look at this beautiful water. Let's throw us, I'm thinking blade bait. It looks pretty blade baity. but also very snaggy, so we'll see. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. He feels really weird. I might have snagged something. He feels really weird. Might have snagged him. I hope he ate it, but I'm giving her a guess that she's snagged. Oh, nope, drum bud. He did eat it. It is a drummy kind of day. Dreamy kind of day. Hey, chill yourself. Is that all that's in this river is drum? I'm starting to wonder. Another drum. Another whine. Goodbye, drum bud. Tell your friends not to bite again, please. Well, you missed the snagging portion there. I believe I have a nice Asian on there that got snagged right in the side. Gotta love blade baits, but they catch about everything and even on its side. Yeah. Asian carp do fight so hard. Alright, if you just quit fighting for like 30 seconds, we can get the hook out of your back fin and we can get this over with, bud. People leaving their trash everywhere. Hey, chill. Let me get it out of your back and then we can be over with. Hey. I know you're so angry. So angry. Big old Asian carp. I know you're supposed to throw them on the bank. This bank has signs all over it says no dumping fish, so I'm throwing them back in there. I hate releasing him, but I mean, that dude literally destroyed both of my hooks. Thanks. Thank you so much. Get after him, little Johnny. Oh, that's a fish. I don't know if I think I might have snagged him or he ate it. Oh, I think he ate it. Drum bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a dark guy. You like the blade bait? Huh? You like it? Jesus, dude, how'd you get it that far in your mouth? Hey. Chill, dude. Chill. Alright, bud, let's get the hooks at you. And of course, it's a big old drum, bud. Yeah, I'm done dealing with you. This place is so loaded with drum, Jesus. Oh, that's a fish. That's a big fish, too. Oh, yeah. There we go, baby. He feels good. Either that or he's snagged or hooked funny, or it's a big fish. One of the three. Good fish, hooked funny, or snagged. I'm hoping good fish. Anything but a drum. Anything but a drum. Yeah, drum bud.
Another one.
Got another one. He ain't even as big as the last one, but he definitely fought harder than the last one. Hi, Mr. Drum. You guys sure like the blade bait. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Drum bud number 2. Can you tell your friends to, like, well, never mind. You do your thing, bud. Drum bud number 2. I don't know why I'm excited of catching a stupid drum, but how rough fishing's been going lately, like, I'm happy catching anything. Oh, there's a fish. There's another one. Oh yeah. Are you another drum bud?
Another one.
Slaying the drum, apparently. Slaying them. Hey, fish are fish. But I would like to catch something besides a drum. Hey, you chill yourself. Alright. I will put you in timeout up in the rocks. Especially if you hook me, you're going to timeout. And it might be a permanent timeout too. I think I found the most drum populated river in all of America. See you later. Hard to complain if you're getting fish. Can't really complain what they are, unless they're bullhead. Then bullhead and carp, which kind of like carp, but yeah, you can complain about those. I don't know if I've really said what I'm using yet, but nice little blade bait, gas station blade bait at that, and they are hammering it. Little, I don't know, I think this is it a ½ ounce? I believe it's a ½ ounce blade bait, and they're definitely chewing it. They are chewing it. Oh, that's a big fish. He slammed it. I think that might be a, oh, what is? Oh no, I snagged him, that's why. God, I thought he just slammed it, but it's just a feisty little Asian carp. Whew. Well, everybody, I think that's gonna about wrap it up. It is 92 degrees out here and it is hot. I am out of stuff. I'm out of water. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm over the drum. I'm over the carp. I'm over it. But later tonight, we're going after some flatheads. So hopefully the next video you see is some big old flatheads. I got some live bluegill, and we're gonna be using some cut bluegill, and gonna be chucking it around, and I've caught a couple little flathead around here, so hopefully there's a big one lurking. I apologize for the content lately, like the lack of content, the lack of quality content. This is the part of the year where it's a struggle no matter really what you're doing. Unless you got some good honey holes, it's about a struggle anywhere you go. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click your bell to get your notifications. Keep them beers cold, them lines tight. We'll catch you on the next one.